guys, it's me, Savvy, coming at you with another video. If you're new here, hello. If you could please subscribe, that would be awesome. I'm doing a giveaway at 200 followers, and right now I'm at 173. So yeah, and I mostly just post random content. I feel like that's gonna be my title now, because beauty influencer, I am not. I'm a girl that likes to play with makeup, likes to make food, likes to make vlogs. That was me. But yeah, so today's video, to distract you guys from what's going on in the world, is how to make my fried chicken nuggets that I make. I'm pretty sure you could use this recipe without the eggs and the chicken if you're vegan. Just switch it for something else. I try to eat at least a couple vegan meals a week, so yeah, but this one is not vegan. This one is carnivore meal. So if you're vegan, probably shouldn't watch this video. But yeah, so let's get started on what you need. Preferably I do boneless and skinless, that way I don't choke on a bone. You will need cornstarch, breadcrumbs, and eggies. It should look like that. And then you also need a pan on the stove with some oil. You're going to be cutting the chicken in cubes. Alright, and then once they're cut in cubes, you're going to want to take the chicken and you're going to want to dip it in the cornstarch first. Cornstarch. Then you're going to want to dip it in the egg. This part gets very messy. And then you're going to want to dip it in the breadcrumbs. Like that. Till it looks something like this. And then you're going to want to take it and be careful and drop it in the oil and then fry it, and then that's literally all you do. And then at the end, when it's all done, then you add your sauce. I cheat, and I get the Panda there. Sorry, my fridge is gross. The Panda Express sauce. I cheat. I don't make my own sauce. But again, it gets really messy. But yeah, those are how I make my chicken nuggets. Or I mean, orange chicken. I make it that way. I make sweet and sour chicken that way. My daughter loves it, so I do. I don't know if it's the most healthy way to make chicken. It's probably not. I'm sure I'll probably get a lot of people in the comments, that's not how you make chicken nuggets. But that's how I make chicken nuggets, and I haven't gotten sick from making them and eating them, so. But I just wanted to show you, be a daily distraction from what's going on in the world, you know. Because it's very heavy what's going on in the world right now, so hopefully this video lightened your mood and you learned how to cook chicken nuggets my way, and maybe you'll try it and let me know how it tastes. But anyway, yeah, I hope you guys have a good day. Bye. The end result, that's what it looks like. I made some rice too and put the sauce on it. But yeah, so if you do try this recipe, let me know.